Today we have a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is Woman Escapes Hospital to Steal from a Gas Station, then Smacks Police Officer.
On May 15th, 2025, two officers with the Des Moines Police Department were sitting in a parking lot waiting for the paddy wagon to show up to transport a man to jail that was in the back of their patrol car. Suddenly, a red car pulls next to the officer's car and states that there was a woman running in the middle of the road that obviously needed help. So he picked her up and gave her a ride to the officer's car.
What's going on?
She was running on the road. I pick up here to you.
Okay.
There's the officer if you want.
We have somebody in our car.
We have a...
Is this dispatch?
Yeah, one here, dispatch.
Hello, this is Garrett. This is 205.
What's going on?
So I
Police
stole
on one.
something from gas
Police
station.
dispatch.
You what?
I stole food from gas station. They didn't let me get cigarettes.
Where'd you come from? What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know.
What's your name?
Shayla
Where were you at before you went to Broadlawns?
at a friend's house.
How do you spell your name?
SEJLA.
S-H...
Can I write it?
S-H-E...
SEJLA.
So what happened to your shirt?
I don't know. It's hot.
Okay. Did you leave Broadlawns without, like, them discharging you?
Yeah.
Do you have an IV in still?
No.
They take that out?
Yeah.
All right. Come up here and just... She left Broadlawns AMA. So, I don't know. Are they going to send somebody else down here?
No. What is it?
She says she stole something from the gas station.
226.
Yeah.
This guy got himself up to go along down to the bus stop.
Okay. She's just intoxicated?
I don't
drunk?
I don't know if she's even drunk or not.
You're not drunk? Okay. Have you taken anything?
They gave me something. They offered me fentanyl, but I said no because I'm on probation, so I don't want any fentanyl, you know.
Do you come from where do you live at? What's
And
the-
you got brought to Broadlawns?
Yes.
By medics or
Yeah, by medics. I had some stomach. I had pain.
okay. From your house in West Des Moines?
Yes. 1033 Empire.
How old are you?
22.
Do you live with somebody?
With my friend.
With your friend? Okay. So what did you take from the gas station?
Some blueberry muffins, some sour cream, not sour cream, sour candy, and I tried to get cigarettes, but I had no idea. So.
Okay. Which gas station? At 23. They're at Hickman and Milking.
Across the Broadlands,
Yeah.
Fresh Start.
How do you say your name?
Shayla,
Shayla? What do you need from us today?
I want to go to jail
Why?
because I stole something.
Well, we don't have any report of it.
You don't have any report?
Huh?
You don't have any reports? I have to go back to Broadlands?
Huh?
I have to go back to Broadlands?
I don't know if you have to go back to Broadlawns, but we're trying to figure out what kind of service you need. We don't have a report from Broadlawns or from Quick Trip saying that you stole something.
And I don't know.
Why do you want to?
So sometimes you see this, right? And a lot of times you see it in the wintertime. More often than not, you see it in the wintertime where people do crimes on purpose. Maybe they're homeless or something like that. You see it more with the homeless people, but people do crimes on purpose so that way they can go to jail and, you know, whatever. They won't bond out or anything like that or whatever. And, you know, they'll have some place to stay, 3 hots and a cot, you know, until their court case is over with or whatever. It'll be like, you know, whatever, 3-6 months, maybe even a year sometimes or whatever. You typically see that with that, and also you'll see it with, you know, listen, if you're part of the community, don't get mad at me. All right. You know, it's certain topics I don't like to cover, but this is what I've seen. You know, I've seen this. And so people that's a part of that community, you know, the LG and all of that community, people that want to transition, also you'll see them commit crimes as well, because whatever medications that they were on, prescribed by a doctor and stuff like that, the state picks that up and continues it. So they may want to, you know, get hormones and this and that. You know, I worked in a male prison, so I seen it with guys, you know, the guys that they want to start growing the breast and all of that type of stuff, whatever, but they really broke and can't afford it. They'll start the process or whatever, do a crime, get a couple of years or whatever, and you know, the state picks up those medications and stuff like that as well. So those are, you know, the types of things that I've seen as far as people wanting to go to jail on purpose. Either homeless people, a lot of time, more times than not, you see it in the wintertime versus the summer. The summer is, you know, obviously it's nice outside, but the wintertime is rough. And also I see it with the LG community and all that stuff. So, you know.
Go back to the jail.
Because I crossed the line.
Because you don't want to go to the hospital or what?
No hospital, no hospital. I just need
Well, I
to
don't
go.
think that jail's probably the best
jail's
place.
not the best place for you though either right now. Have you talked to Mobile Crisis or any of them?
No, I left my phone and everything in Broadlands.
Okay.
Were you just in the ER or where were you at?
I just want to go home to my parents.
Shayla, you can have a seat right up here. Just have a seat on the bumper right here. Okay.
Here. Pulling up rolls in here.
Huh?
What's your parents' phone number?
Hey Shayla, what's your parents' phone number?
515.
515.
I forgot my mom's number.
Do you know Dad's number?
No.
So, what was the stomach pain that you were having that took you to the hospital? What'd they tell you at the hospital? Yeah. Okay. So is that why you took off from the hospital? Yes. Okay. Because you don't want to be committed? No. Okay. Is it just because you don't want to be committed at Broadlands or?
No, I don't want to go to the hospital anymore.
Okay.
I don't want to go to. I'm done with hospitals anymore.
Okay.
I'm done with hospitals. Okay. I'm done. I'm done.
I understand that. Okay. No. Yeah, you just want to go to jail. Well, that's a good way to get there.
I was
Sorry.
God damn.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just later.
I'm sorry.
Have a seat. Jesus. Thanks, Garrett.
Well, you got your wish. That's how you could go to jail. You see, the officers are saying, well, in the beginning, you know, oh, we don't have room for you or whatever. We don't have a report and this and that, whatever. You know, she wants to go to jail. She wants to go to jail. Okay. The cops were pretty much denying her. So I get an officer a love tap. You gonna lock me up now? See, so she knows. You know, it was just a little love tap, nothing crazy, but she'll be able to go to jail.
How's that feeling? It was hilarious because I was thinking to myself, I have my window
I
open.
know, I'm like, I
said,
should
she's gonna slap me through this door. I know it.
Everything's fine.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Just sit. Whew.
I'm pretty sure that should be on camera.
It probably will be. That'll be a good one for DT.
Huh? She just
Jail is not the right place place for you. Okay. I understand you're done with the hospitals, but jail's not the right place for you either. Okay.
I just want some jail food, that's it.
You know there's way better ways to get food. There's homeless shelters that you can go to. There's plenty of assistance.
Oh, so somebody can kill me in shelter? No.
We've never had a murder in any homeless shelter, okay? And there are way better ways to go about doing this. Where's your shirt at? Where'd you take that off at?
2233.
Huh?
Martha's shirt.
Okay.
Can you just take my hair?
Huh?
Can you just take my hair
Just
off?
have a seat. Hi. You got two. Just a second. I gotta change cuffs out.
Don't scare me again. What's with that? Did you go to the hospital for something?
Yeah.
What was that for and when?
For pain?
For pain?
Yeah.
What kind of pain?
I don't know.
When were you discharged?
I want
She wasn't. She left AMA
Oh,
because her psych doctor is going to commit her.
okay. Nothing on you?
Nothing
Do you not have coffee with you? Okay. Here we go inside here.
Already getting text messages.
She didn't smack me. She give me close fist.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's out of the corner of my eye.
No, it was a close
It
fist.
sounded like
It was. It was a close fist.
What happened?
She fucking cold clocked me.
So we have this guy in
That's
the
why
back.
she's going to jail.
So we have this
Yeah.
guy in the back. We have this guy in the back, and some guy dropped this girl off, and it said she needs help.
Yeah.
So she comes out.
I'm starting.
So I'm doing paperwork on that while we're trying. I'm also on the radio trying to figure out if this girl just left broadlines because she said.
Yeah, see, that was my
Yeah.
first.
Yep.
So then.
She did because her doctor was going to commit her, and she didn't want to be fucking committed.
Oh. Okay.
So me bringing up the hospital pissed her off, and that's when she just all of a sudden whack, and I'm like,
So I'm like, so I'm on the radio with dispatch, and I'm continuing to fill out his paperwork for you guys. And then in the corner of my eye, well, I hear a, I see Megan go, okay. I'm just,
Oh my
fucking.
God! I was not expecting that for this story.
oh yeah.
I thought she was just some drunk that was literally probably bothering you guys while you were, and
She
not
doesn't want to
eating.
get committed. She stole something from QT. She wanted
So
to go
she
to
was
jail,
trying to
so
go to
that
jail.
was her way to go.
It worked.
It worked. She's going to jail.
Did you get a chance? Did you get bookers or?
Yeah, they're on your dash.
Thanks, guys.
All right.
Are you all right?
What's that? Yeah. How do we put two case numbers on this thing?
225.
Just a comma.
Did she get you under? Where'd she?
I'm gonna have a black eye from that one.
221 for an unknown call.
That one's gonna be a good video.
Yeah. I already have requests because I was laughing. I couldn't stop laughing on channel 3. I was trying. Oh.
She was then transported to the Polk County Jail where she was booked and charged with assault on a police officer. If you enjoy the content,
Yeah, like I said, she, everyone understands what's going on here. She, she doesn't like the hospitals, whatever. She needs help, but she's struggling. Like she said, she just wants, jail food or whatever. She's hungry. She's on the streets. Whatever. She got mental problems, whatever. She probably feels more comfortable in jail than out on outside. So she's doing any little petty thing. Did she want to hit the officer? No. That's why she stole something or came up with that story or whatever. and then, reported it to the officers. Hey, I stole something, lock me up. The officers is like, nah, we don't got time for that, And so, all right, well, you don't got time for that. Well, you got time for this. And, and now they gonna lock her up, So she knows what she got to do to go to jail. Hopefully she does get the help that she needs. But like I said, there are instances where you do see this a lot. And yeah, it happens. You know what I mean? It happens, man. But it's a the officers is laughing. They know what's going on. It's a funny moment, good entertainment. The lady doesn't take offense to it. She know that she was just trying to go to jail. It is what it is. You know what I mean? They can laugh about it and move on.